Hey everybody, Scotty with Big Rig Chrome Shop. I'm here to do another product spotlight. Today we're highlighting Iconic Metalgear Big Mouth Step Boxes. So these are our heavy duty aluminum step box. They come in a couple different options. So they come with this smooth face or they come in a diamond plate as well. Some of the specs on these, this box specifically is an 18-inch wide box. All of the boxes are 24 inches tall by just over 29 inches deep. They also come in a 12, a 16, a 22, a 24, and a 30-inch model. So you can get them all the way up to 30 inches, all the way down to 12 inches, depending on what you need. A couple other things to note here. They have this really nice T-handle. Just pull it out, spin, open it up. You can see how wide the opening is on these boxes. That's kind of really the big niche on these, is that they really have a lot of open space. You can fit a lot of stuff in there. They also have a key locking system as well to keep your items secure. A couple other things as far as mounting, it's incredibly easy. You can purchase their L mounting brackets. It has these bolt holes on the side and bolt holes on the back here. If you're looking to bolt it right up to the frame with the bolt holes that are existing, you can use these holes right here. Mount it to the bottom right here. If you don't have bolt holes that line up to the frame and you don't want to drill new holes, they have a really nice feature. It's called the cheater bracket. So what you do is you just take this bracket here, you're going to mount that up to this right here, these bolts on the side, and then you have a lot of room as far as where you want to bolt it onto the frame. You can get this for either side, you can get it for one side, whatever you're looking for. It's a really nice feature to make bolting mounting really, really easy. So this is Iconic Metalgear's Big Mouth boxes, a really hot item, really nice, high quality construction, lightweight, but really strong. So come on down to Big Rig Chrome Shop at 3735 South Washburn Street in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. You can get us at 920-769-0611. These boxes are at bigrigchromeshop.com. We're on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. We're everywhere. We'd love to see you. Give us a call. We'd love to get you hooked up with one of these boxes.